Back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. As you well known, you know that we just made a video on the little pancakes organics, right? Because you can tell I have the same investment here. But I was telling Michael the other day, a couple of days ago, I got up and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I never get up that late. I'm always up like by 6, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And when I got up, I was very lightheaded. I'm like, oh, I'm so dizzy. Michael, like, yeah, Mom. No, you're not. You're going to be fine. Just chill. And I'm like, no, serious. And I got so lightheaded that I got scared. I'm like, Michael, you got to stay here and don't move. Stay here with me. But do me a favor. Go in the kitchen and make me this tea. And Michael's like, Mama, what are you talking about? And I'm like, this tea that my mom used to make for me and my sister and for herself and my dad. And I saw all the family members. It's in the Caribbean. And as I grew up also in New York, they used to make it for relatives, you know, and whatnot, for friends, whoever. And my mom used to make this tea every time any one of us was feeling like lightheaded and like your blood pressure, because I do suffer from my blood pressure going low due to all the stuff that is going on, but that's another story. And so this is what you do. You take a pan, guys, you put water in the pan, and you're only gonna need 3 items. You're gonna need anise seed. Anise seed, you can get it in the supermarket. It's made for teas. It has a very flowery smell and kind of like a clean at the same time, like herbs, you know. So it's gonna look like this. See that? That's anise, and it's very strong. Oh, wow. Smell it, Michael. It smells like candy, like something that you put in cakes and pies or something sweet, you know. So you put a little bit of it, and I say, guys, 2 tablespoons of anise. Immediately after you put it in, my water was boiling already. You can see that the water is starting to go yellow, right?
That's right.
This is how strong this is, but it's so good. It has a lot of other like medical things that is good for you.
That's right.
Then this is another kind of anise. It's called anise star. Now, the reason why they call it anise star is because it looks like a star, right? And let me take more of them out.
It does. Wow.
That's why they call it anise star, because
That's cool.
It looks like a, you know those fish star in the ocean?
Yeah, starfish.
Exactly, look like a starfish and a star. So that's my anise. So anise star is very, very strong, but it kind of has like a sweet thing to it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take, you don't want to put a whole one in there, trust me, because it's very, very strong. So what I'm gonna do, I took like 3 leaves from the star, and with the same lid that I have here, you know what, I'm not gonna do that because that will be dumb. Just, you want to, Michael, be careful because that's hot and you're in front of it, but
well, it's okay.
you can throw that
I'm the cameraman.
on you. You don't want to do that.
Cameraman, take risks.
What you want to do, guys, for you college kids are always drinking and whatnot.
That's right.
And doing stupid things.
Don't drink and drive.
Good. You go to the supermarket, get some anise, a little bit of anise star, only like 2 or 3 leaves of it. You're gonna throw it in the water right there.
Oh yeah.
And you're also gonna put cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for your blood pressure to go up, or bring your blood pressure straight up. This is good for the dizziness. You want just 1 stick.
I thought you said 2 sticks the other day.
Well, because I was very, very dizzy.
Oh, okay.
But 1 is good because we're just showing people how to do it. I'm gonna have to have a cup of that anyway later.
Oh, okay.
Look, so you go like this, you put it in there,
right.
And then you're gonna, before you start it, guys, you're gonna boil your water and make sure that you have your pan in the back, okay? You know what? I'm gonna move it to the back like that and take it from the front. I don't want you guys getting burned or anything like that. If you don't have experience in what you're doing, please do not do it, okay? Don't do it, and if you do, be very, very careful. If you get burned with hot boiling water, your whole skin is gonna come off. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So be careful. I have been burned, caught, all that, but then I'm used to it, and it's part of cooking, and that's how you learn. But anyway, so we're gonna put that to boil, okay? For a good 20 minutes. You wanna boil that. You wanna boil that, Michael, trust me. 20 minutes go real fast, and in 20 minutes, we're gonna come back, okay? A lot of people put honey in it. Honey is good also, because the honey, when you sweeten the tea, there's one more thing I wanna tell you. When you sweeten teas with honey, the honey slows you down and relaxes your senses. The honey with the hot tea, and you put it like that, and you're sipping it with your cup, and next thing you know, you're taking a napper. Yep, or you fall asleep, and that always makes you feel better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm putting the time right here, guys, and there you go, start, and we'll be back in 20 minutes. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to squeeze that notification bell, so every time we do one of these, you guys will be the first one to know. Thanks for watching. Guys, so we're back, and as you can see on the clock here, we still have 2 minutes and some seconds left. I cut it short because I have to do a couple of things that I just remember. I gotta go to the post office. So this is what you do, guys. See, your tea should look like that. If you want it stronger, you can boil it more, but you don't want to do that because when it's too strong, then you kind of like it's gonna be too strong. You're gonna taste the anise star, the wood of the anise star, and just the anise itself and the cinnamon too strong. So you don't want to do that. So then what I'm gonna do is you put it through what do you call these, Michael?
Strainer.
Yeah, guys, a strainer, and I have my little thing here that I like to keep with me, a little bit old fashioned, if you call it. And oh my God, it smells so good. My husband just came down. He's like, "Babe, what did you make?" Because it smells so good, and I'm like, "That's some tea that I'm making," and I'm also making a video out of it because I want everybody to, to like learn how to make it. And again, this tea is good if you're dizzy and nauseous or your blood pressure is low. Then you make yourself some of this tea, and I told you guys again, a couple of little pieces of anise star, two tablespoons of anise, and 1 stick of cinnamon. Crush it and put it in there with water and just boil it for 20 minutes. Then strain it through one of these. And now I'm gonna pour some on a cup. And then this cup, I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar, guys. I'm just gonna drink a little bit for now, and it's always good because my blood pressure is always low anyway, and I'm always feeling like I gotta faint. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and like I said before, you wanna get honey. You wanna get honey because when you put the honey actually calms you down, mixed with these beautiful and tasteful seeds that we have here for tea. I mean, you're gonna feel, I'm telling you, but get away! Don't put that on my face like that.
Sorry.
Because then you're gonna make me blind. I don't know why you do that. You don't have to do that. You can do it on this, but not on my face, my cololo. I call him like that. And one more thing. My dad, when we used to get sick, my grandfather taught me this. He said, when you're drinking on a cup like that tea, my grandfather would say, "Do you know what the purpose of this is? Of the plate in the bottom where you put it?" And I'm like, "No, what is it?" This is the purpose. Because the tea is very hot. So you drop, hold on, I'm filming right now. You drop a little drop like that. You take the plate. And you drink it. And you don't have to be worried. That was me making a mistake. You don't have to be worried about getting burned or anything. You go like this. It's amazing. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Look it up, us up on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest.
Google Plus.
On Google
Oh wait, there's no
Plus.
Google Plus. Sorry.
There's no Google Plus.
It's 2020.
And what is it?
Tumblr,
And
Pinterest, Patreon. I'm even forgetting, guys.
And if you want to donate $1 or not, just scroll down to the link below and
That's
donate
right.
$1 to Cindy's home kitchen. It will be really appreciated. And if not, it doesn't matter. We still love you. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, and don't drink and drive.